Good morning, children. Welcome back to English virtual class. Take out your English reader book. Come to unit where there is a will. Today we will complete the back exercise of poem Just Be Up and Doing. So you recited the poem. Now we will complete the back exercise related to that poem. Question B3 is complete the central idea of the poem by filling in only one word. Let's start. The poet agrees that one faces a lot of dash and worries, lot of trouble, and worries in life. There also are dash which bend people double. There also are burdens which bend people double with their weight, but in spite of all this, one must keep on working and pursuing towards one's goal. He further says that everyone likes to remain idle and wait for the favorable world to be right, but one must always be ready to fight if need be. The poet adds that no one will ever fail if he tries hard, and also there is hardly anyone who can win by just sitting and waiting for good luck to come. One can only carve a path of conquer if one is up and doing hard. So this is a central idea of the poem. You have filled all the words and you can read again and again to understand the poem. Now let's do the next. B4, match the phrases given in column A with their column meanings in column B. Phrases are group of words. First is heaps of cares. Can you guess what is the word? Heaps of cares means lots of worries. Keep pursuing. You had done in the word meaning also. Keep pursuing means to keep doing. See it through. See it through means do not to give up a task until finish. Like to idle. Yes, to love to be carefree and happy. Hewing, carving out or making. You're sitting, sighing, only talking and blaming. Now come to the next question. Question B5 is quote any 2 or 3 lines from the poem that inspire you the most. Explain in what way do these lines inspire you. Children, because you are not in the class, okay, I can ask you, but I have these lines which inspires me. Few ever fail by trying, few ever win who wait, all of your sittings sign never will conquer fate. These lines inspires me, but you can write some other lines also with their meaning also. So why I like this? The above lines inspire me a lot. If we don't succeed in any work, we should not give up trying. People who keep on trying hardly fail. There is hardly anyone who can win by sitting and waiting for good luck to come. If you are sitting and you are waiting, okay, good luck will come and I will do this, I will pass in exam. If you will not work hard, you will not pass in the exam. So for that, you have to work hard, keep on working hard, only then you get the success. Now come to the next question. B6. You have received the following letter from your friend who has been very upset lately because of some problem at home. Let's read this letter. Examination hall. This is the informal letter. Examination hall, Delhi, 15th October. Here you have to write, Dear Megha, I have been thinking of writing to you for many days. In fact, I want to share something with you. You know, I am unable to prepare for my monthly tests at home. My mother has not been keeping well and is unable to do household chores on her own. She needs my help round the clock, because of which I don't get time to study. I'm feeling very upset and don't know what to do. Your friend, Surbi. Now write a letter to your friend encouraging her to be calm and cool and also give her some tips to tackle the problems at home. You can use the tips given below. You can take the help of these clues to write the letter to your friend. Mother should be admitted in a hospital for better care and treatment. An extra domestic help can be arranged, means maid can be arranged. Should work according to a schedule for better time management. Self help can be encouraged among the members. Unreasonable or unnecessary chores should be dropped from daily routine. With the help of these points, we have to write the letter. So I am helping you here in writing the letter. At the top, first we have to write the address. Address here we are writing examination hall, ABCCT, then date. Date when you will write, then you will write the date. Dear, here you will write the name of the friend. Dear, sorry to know about your mother's health. Hope and pray for her good health. Please be calm and cool. You can admit your mother in the hospital for better care and treatment. You can also hire an extra domestic help. Encourage it. Encourage all the family members for self-help. You can drop unnecessary chores from daily routine so that you can spend more time in studies. I hope this tip, these tips are of great help for you. Soon your mother will be well and you will be able to concentrate in your studies. If you need any help, I am always there with you. Take care of your mother and yourself, your friend. You have to write the name of yourself. This is the letter. Children, this letter you have to write in the reader copy. Other exercise you will complete in the book, but letter should be written in the reader copy. First, you will write the name of the poem, date, and date and homework. Now your homework is complete back exercise in reader book and write letter in reader copy. That's all for today. Thank you and